nice consolidation, and after that we caught this move, right? This move is what we caught on Tesla, and then there was sell the news, and now we are back at this trend line. As long as this trend line is holding, Tesla is not bearish, right? And I do think Tesla 200 is the price target here, and we'll see what happens earlier in the week, because like even the sell off, yes, there was this lot of volume here, and then there was no volume, decreasing volume. If there is decreasing volume with red candles here again, like we are seeing some basing pattern here, creating like a falling wedge kind of scenario here on Tesla, I would be picking up some swings on Tesla 2 to 3 weeks out again, and position in that and see what can happen. So keep an eye out for that on Tesla. 185 is the first target, obviously on the upside. 175 is a must hold, and which also will act like a dual support here on Tesla with the trend line. So keep an eye out for that level, and we can probably play Tesla to the upside again once we see these volume patterns with the price evolving, and play it to the upside. Here Tesla in the weekly sense, keep this weekly time frame always on watch. Nice consolidation that's happening here on Tesla. If you see, when this upper trend line breaks, there is no way anybody is stopping Tesla to 300, right? So we are still consolidating on Tesla, and this is a nice compression that is happening on Tesla. This type of compression hasn't happened for quite some time on Tesla, honestly. See, this type of compression happened here, which yielded a huge move. Then you had some compression here, which yielded a huge move. And when there is compression on Tesla like this, there is a huge move that is brewing. And I mean, if you ask me, I'm not going to say, oh, you know what, it's going to go to the upside or the downside. I would wait and figure out what's happening. But inherently looking at the company and what Elon Musk was talking about on the shareholder meeting, things that are transpiring with the news again, I just feel it is getting better. And there can be a little bit more flagging pattern. I don't think Tesla will break that 234 barrier or the upper trend line unless and until after the elections and once you get the results. But it is coiling, it is compressed, it is due for a big move here, and 200 is definitely a price target for Tesla, when you ask me, when you are holding shares. So that's mostly what I think about Tesla here.